I met you before.
Oh yeah? I'm Sergeant Rossman.
You recognize me?
We did not make any threats to any children. Why would we yell at a bunch of kids saying we're gonna kill them? Do you know who I am? Probably not.
Nope.
Okay.
Hunter, I need you to go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
You're under arrest, okay? We're not gonna put you in custody. Do you understand that? Put your hands behind your back, please.
Nothing, I'm tired of this Miley Cyrus motherfucker right here.
Every teenager deserves a bright future. But what happens when they keep getting themselves into trouble, getting arrested over and over again, potentially ruining their future? Here's a group of 3 teenagers who just couldn't stay out of trouble. Starting with what looks like a Trailer Park Boys skit, seriously, the contrast between these 3 teens is comedy gold. On March 15th, 2023, 3 teenagers named Hunter, Alex, and Brady were caught on surveillance footage shouting profanities and making threats at an elementary school's playground. In response, school staff swiftly moved children indoors and initiated a lockdown. The police, upon reviewing the footage, traced the vehicle's license plate, linking it to prior incidents of juvenile disturbances, theft, and property damage. The officers promptly located and pulled over the vehicle.
58, both front passenger, rear passenger are reaching towards the center. I don't know if they're buckling their belts or what. Turn your music down, please. Can you roll your window down, please? Thank you.
How you doing?
Need to see your driver's license, please.
For what?
Complaint over at the school of threats being yelled out at the school kids. Need to see all your driver's license and IDs because it's a complaint from all of you.
I don't have one.
Don't have one? Do you have your ID on you? Front passenger, I'm talking to you. Do you have your ID on you? Can you roll your window down and talk to that officer? What's your address, Brady?
I know.
You don't know your address?
Let's step out of the car for you. For what? So I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Can I ask what kind of threats were made?
Threats to the kids.
That is not true at all.
Okay, well that's the complaint we've received.
Were you guys over by, was it Blessed Sacrament a little bit ago?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Do you know where it is? King and Losey, were you guys over there? Did you guys like have any interactions with the kid on the playground? None at all?
Okay. I was just coming back from my friend's court date.
Oh, okay. Over at the courthouse?
No, he had court up in Toma.
Oh,
We were
okay.
just coming back from there and then...
Hunter, why don't you go ahead and step out of the car for me, please? Brady, just stay in the vehicle, okay? Step back this way. Stop right there. Anything on is gonna stick me.
So you would have went by Blessed Sacrament there. I don't know if you knew that or not. Like, I'm not saying that you had any interactions. I'm just saying that. That's where, okay.
My strong suggestion is probably just change the attitude because it's not.
No, this is bullshit.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. We didn't do anything.
Okay, well, your attitude isn't going to help you.
So we had a complaint. People in this car were yelling at the kids in the playground. That's why you're being stopped right now, okay?
I met you before.
Oh yeah? I'm Sergeant Rossman.
You recognize me?
I don't think so. How do I know you?
I don't know if I know you either. I was just asking if I did.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Tell me what happened today over at the school.
Nothing. We came back from Madison. We're going there for a court date because our friend's going to prison.
Okay,
And we're driving back here to go pick up a friend from school.
okay. And where did you pick him up from?
We haven't picked him up yet. We're about to.
Yeah, let's step out for me, guy. What's your name?
So what caused you to go by the school over on Losey?
Because we're coming back from Onalaska. We're coming this way.
Okay, so what caused you to go all the way down and around and make a loop?
Ma'am, I don't think you understand. We did not yell at any kids.
You're not answering my question. If you're coming to pick up him,
Irrelevant.
Am I going back to jail?
I don't think so.
it is relevant.
We
Okay.
did not make any threats to any children. Why would we yell at a bunch of kids saying we're gonna kill them?
That's a good question. That's a very good question.
You look like my dentist. That's why I recognized you. I swear.
Definitely not a dentist.
I'm trying to stay out of it.
Did you yell out the window anything?
No, I'm driving.
Okay. Did your passengers yell out the window
No.
anything?
But you know what I'm saying? If something was yelled, let's just get to that so we don't have to spend here for an hour while an investigation is conducted over there. If someone did yell something, just let's have out with it right now.
I didn't yell anything.
Did anybody in the car yell anything?
All the guys initially managed to stick to their story, attempting to dodge responsibility. However, Brady, who was significantly under the influence, ended up speaking excessively and inadvertently revealed more information.
Tell me what happened, man.
Basically, the only thing that happened was We drove by and there was a bunch of kids playing football in the road.
Yeah.
And one kid threw the ball to him and he dropped it. And we said he's bad at football. That's all that happened.
The kid said he's bad at football?
No, we said he was bad.
You said the kid was
We
bad
did
at
not
football.
threaten no one or anything.
Okay.
That's literally all we said. You're bad at football.
Did anybody yell anything out the windows that would made them think that somebody was yelling
They did not
threats?
yell any threats. We don't got time for that.
Did you yell out the windows?
No.
No?
I'm driving. I can't be doing that.
People can yell and still drive.
So we went, turned around, and we went back the way we came. And they were all just around the teacher saying whatever they said. I don't know.
Okay.
Do you know who I am? Probably not.
Nope.
Okay. I've been trying to stay out of shit for so long. I do not need this.
Okay. Well, here we are.
I know, and I'm not trying to be here, and I'm not trying to be rude, but it's
Okay.
frustrating.
Yep. And you can get as frustrated as possible, but we have as much as you want, but we have a job to do. We
understand
received
that,
the
but-
complaint, and they had to take all these kids into the school because of the threats that were
And
made.
I'm not even mad at you guys. I'm just mad at whoever called the police saying that we're trying to
School officials.
kids.
School officials.
Well, whoever's saying we're making threats, saying we're trying to kill them is
And you made no statements, no yelling, no nothing out.
that is outrageous, dude.
Do you have any weapons in the car?
No, I don't. I'm not allowed to have any.
For people trying to stay out of trouble, they certainly don't make it easy for themselves. Hunter, who is out on 4 separate bonds and not supposed to commit any more crimes, has his cover blown by Brady despite trying to keep it intact.
Who yelled out the window at the kid?
I don't know. I was playing music.
Were you sitting there in the same spot you were, in the back seat behind the driver?
Yeah.
Was there a 4th person in the car, Brady?
No.
You didn't drop anybody off from that time until we...
Why are you so dressed up today?
I'm always
occasion?
He always looks good, man.
No, there's no else. There's just us three.
You remember me when I stopped you and Jade? Yeah. Yeah, you do, don't you?
I'll tell you.
You didn't say you're gonna
We just
get a
said you're bad
gun,
at
or
football.
you ain't gonna shoot him, or something like that.
No, I just graduated high school. That's weird.
Sure. And all that you said to the kid was bad at football.
Might have said you suck.
You suck at football.
Now we're getting somewhere.
So you guys were trying driving past the school. Kid dropped the football. You yell out the window, "Hey man, you suck at football!" And then what happened?
We drove away.
The friend combination is just perfect. There's a rough around the edges guy in a suit at the wheel, a laid-back, unconcerned guy in the passenger seat, and in the back, a totally zoned-out guy lost in his own world. To top it all off, they're on their way to court to bail out a friend.
Hunter, I need you to go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
I'm placed under arrest now based on Officer Roden's request.
No, you're being placed under arrest for disorderly conduct and bail jumping.
Based on some statements made by the complainants, they must have described you good enough where she's comfortable arresting you. Hold on, what's going on with this wrist here, partner? Is it broken or anything? Actually, just let's hold off on this then. You're under arrest, okay? We're not gonna put you in cuffs though. Do you understand that? Yeah. Okay. So I'm not gonna mess your wrist up anymore.
Oh, hey, you stand up though. We gotta just put the handcuffs on you. Put your head behind your back, please.
Wait, when you pulled over me and Jade, were you just waiting for us to drive by?
No, I was actually on my way home.
Hunter, when it gets about time when we have to move your vehicle, will you give us permission to legally
This is
park?
illegal, bro. I didn't do anything.
Will you give us permission?
Why am I being under arrest?
I advise you're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
When was I being disorderly?
Okay.
When?
Over at the school, I explained it to you.
How? How was I being disorderly?
Yelling profanities and threats.
When did I yell? Where is the proof of me yelling at people?
When it comes to time to move your vehicle, will you give us permission to move it?
No.
Okay.
If you try to just do whatever you can and not
Yeah.
get me in jail, I guess.
I get you. Thing number 2, Alex, there's a bunch of rounds in your bag.
Yeah, I know. I guess I knew that was in there. There's no gun though.
There's not gonna be a gun in the car. Okay. All right, sit tight.
If you just sit down and then slide your keys in.
All right. You good, Brady? You want the window down a little bit?
No. But what's happening? What am I doing?
Well, we're gonna head over here. I'm gonna collaborate with my partner.
I'm not trying to go to jail for the first time for this bullshit.
You never been to jail before?
Nuh-uh. The worst ticket I ever got was an underage drinking. You guys got everything in this.
The officers, finding ammunition in the car and aware of the occupant's history with gun-related arrests, call for a K-9 unit to search for any illegal substances. Alex informs the officers he has disposed of all his guns. However, the K-9 doesn't detect anything, leading the officers to conduct a manual search. This search uncovers a fake ID and a bottle of tequila in the car.
They drove by and they said all 3 were yelling out, "Suck my F you, I'm going to kill you. They circled around the school again, and then they yelled out again, I'm going to kill you, and F you.
Yeah, that would definitely scare.
We'll just go DC, and then the DA can up it if they want to.
You find a lot of drugs?
No, we didn't find any.
Damn, so how did the dog hit?
The dog didn't hit.
So why'd you search my vehicle?
It was searched for evidence of the offense of the threats to kill with the ammunition in your buddy's backpack.
Oh. So what did they say about me? I was yelling that I was gonna kill them? That's what was said?
That was yelled.
It was. Dude, this is gonna be so fun in court. You guys are gonna look stupid. I love when they're gonna show the video of me yelling at them, man. And I'm being sarcastic, by the way.
Brady, how we doing back here?
It still sucks.
Nothing, I'm tired of this Miley Cyrus motherfucker right here.
All 3 individuals were arrested. Hunter faced charges of making threats, disorderly conduct, and 2 counts of bail jumping. Alex was charged with making threats and disorderly conduct. Brady faced the same set of charges. Hunter, Alex, and Brady have all graduated from high school. What do you think about this event? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Until the next time.